Poche parole per presentare gli strumenti Yara per la precision farming, quindi hand tester, hand sensor e image it.
We have several tools to optimize the nitrogen application in the season for the crops. We have for uniform application developed the end tester. It's a chlorophyll meter measuring the greenness of the crop and then giving a nitrogen recommendation. We have a smartphone app, so only a software called Image It, developed initially for oilseed rape, which also gives a nitrogen recommendation based on pictures taken in the field. And the high-end solution is the Yara Sensor, which is a remote sensing tool for the variable application of nitrogen to manage in-field variability.
Come funziona esattamente l'end tester? Quante misurazioni vanno fatte?
The end tester is a chlorophyll meter, so it's directly measuring the chlorophyll content of the crop. Because the chlorophyll content is very strong related to the nitrogen supply of the crop. The farmer has to take at least 30 measurements to get a good average over the field, and after 30 measurements he gets a recommendation how much nitrogen he should apply on the field. So the measurement should be taken on the last fully developed leaf of a crop, and to get a good average of the field the farmer has to go across the field as compared to any other plant or soil analysis, go for several locations to mix the samples to have a good average.
Su quali colture si può usare?
The crop type is of course important. The end tester has to be calibrated for each crop individually. So it's now calibrated for cereal crops mainly.
Abbiamo anche un'applicazione per smartphone che è decisamente meno costosa rispetto all'end tester. È allo stesso tempo affidabile quanto l'end tester?
The Image It app is analyzing the greenness, the leaf cover of the crop. So it's the advantage is, of course, there's no investment cost. The farmer is not to invest in hardware, and the accuracy is based on the calibration. So the app is based on many calibration trials for oilseed rape. It's measuring a different thing than the end tester. The end tester is measuring a concentration, and here we are measuring the nitrogen uptake of the crop, but it's as reliable as the end tester.
Secondo i dati raccolti finora da Yara, da voi raccolti, in media quali sono i risultati in termini di aumento della produzione, diminuzione dell'uso dei fertilizzanti?
We've done investigation during the first years of the end tester use. It's a redistribution. In some years or in some fields they can reduce the application rates, maybe in other years and other fields the farmers are a little bit increasing the application rates. Yes? So it's more or less a redistribution of the given rates. We are measuring the performance of the end tester, yes? And over many years now we have data that show with the help of the end tester we can reach 89–99% of the maximum yield potential. So we are very close to the optimum.